In the fast-paced world of modern living, finding the right blender that combines convenience, performance, and portability can make a significant difference. Enter this Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender, a sleek and efficient blending solution designed to meet your on-the-go needs. Whether you're a smoothie aficionado, a health-conscious individual, or just someone who enjoys freshly blended beverages and snacks, this portable blender has a lot to offer. Let's explore why the Brookstone 500ml might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. One of the standout features of the Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender is its compact size. With a capacity of 500ml, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and functionality. This size is ideal for personal use, allowing you to make single servings of your favorite shakes, smoothies, or sauces without taking up too much counter space or needing a bulky appliance. The sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication while ensuring that the blender fits effortlessly into any lifestyle. The blender's compact form factor makes it perfect for those who are always on the go. Whether you're heading to the office, hitting the gym, or traveling, this portable blender is designed to accompany you wherever you need it. The included additional lid ensures that you can take your blended creations with you, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings or post-workout snacks. Despite its small size, the Brookstone 500ml compact blender delivers impressive blending performance. To achieve the smoothest blends, it's recommended to slice your favorite fruits and vegetables into smaller pieces before adding them to the blender. This approach ensures that the blender can handle the ingredients more efficiently and produce a silky smooth texture every time. The blender's ability to crush ice and blend frozen ingredients is another highlight. Just a handful of ice is usually sufficient to achieve the desired consistency, and the blender's robust motor makes quick work of even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're preparing a refreshing smoothie or a nutrient-packed shake, this blender is up to the task. Safety is a key consideration in any kitchen appliance, and the Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender excels in this regard. It features a smart design with a tiny magnet located at the base of the jar. This magnet ensures that the jar aligns perfectly with the sensor over the push button and status area. As a result, the blender can only be powered on when all components are securely in place, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring a safe blending experience. This safety feature not only protects you, but also prolongs the life of the blender by preventing accidental misuse. You can blend with confidence, knowing that the appliance is designed with your safety in mind. The Brookstone 500ml blender is designed with user convenience in mind. It comes with two blending modes, regular and pulse. The regular mode is ideal for everyday blending tasks, while the pulse mode can be used for more intensive blending. However, it's worth noting that the pulse mode may drain the battery more quickly, so it's best used sparingly. The blender is also designed for easy cleanup. Both the jar and blending lid are dishwasher safe, making it simple to maintain hygiene. For a thorough clean, you can quickly rinse the jar and then fill it with water and detergent, letting the blender do the work. The included cleaning brush helps ensure that every nook and cranny is properly cleaned, while the base should be kept out of the dishwasher to maintain its longevity. To get the best results from your Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender, here are a few important tips. 1. Liquids first. Always add liquids to the jar before other ingredients. This helps create a smoother blending process and prevents the blender from struggling with thicker ingredients. 2. Add ice. Last, place and frozen items on top of the liquids. This ensures that the ice is properly crushed and blended without overwhelming the blender. 3. Shake to restart. The blender is having trouble blending. Try turning it upside down and shaking it to help restart the blending process. By following these tips, you can maximize the performance of your blender and enjoy consistently great results. The Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender is perfect for a variety of blending tasks. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, sauces, or even small batches of baby food, this blender is up to the challenge. Its compact size and powerful performance make it a versatile tool for any kitchen. The blender's portability also makes it an excellent choice for those who travel frequently or have a busy lifestyle. With the additional lid for on-the-go convenience, you can enjoy your blended creations wherever life takes you. Conclusion: the ultimate portable blender, the Brookstone 500ml compact portable blender, offers a combination of compact design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features that make it an ideal choice for anyone in need of a reliable, portable blending solution. Its safety features, ease of use, and versatile functionality set it apart from other blenders in its class. Whether you're blending at home, at work, or on the move, this blender provides the convenience and performance you need to enjoy your favorite beverages and snacks with ease. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and stylish blender, the Brookstone 500ml is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.